how to invest when the stock market is down. There are many news sources out there and their job is to scare the heck out of you. My suggestion before we even get into today's content is to ignore the news, as their job is to attract your eyeballs and keep watching their ads, keep buying what they are selling. The scarier they make the situation look, the more people are hooked to watching their ads. With that out of the way, here is my suggestion on how to invest when the stock market is down. Keep investing every single month in low-cost index funds. If you can afford it, invest a little bit more than you normally do, so you take advantage of the market being down right now. As long as you are not turning greedy, as long as you have your emergency fund covered, then you should be okay to invest a little bit more now that the market is down. Take any money you don't need for the next 5 years and put it in the market. I bet you will be rewarded in the long term. Don't do it all at once. Space it out. Maybe you put a little bit now, a little bit in a few weeks, a little bit in a few months. It's really up to you how you do it, but I would probably do it over a period of time. Why am I saying keep investing? I'm not really changing my message from what I've shared in my other videos before. The reason I'm saying keep investing is because to win in the stock market is to constantly invest and never try to time the market. What we're seeing today, this is short term. If you look at history, you will understand that this is temporary. For example, look at S&P 500 over the last 5 years, 10 years, or even since inception, and you will see what I'm talking about. Research from Investco shows that from the period of 1968 through 2020, a span of more than 50 years, the average length of a bull market was about 5 years, while the average bear market lasted less than a year. Over this period, the average gain in a bull market was about 180%, while the average loss in a bear market was about negative 36%. I will end this video with a quote from our favorite uncle, Warren. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more great content to follow. Watch this next video where I talk about what you should do with every single dollar that comes into your life.